2019, researchers reported that they had found two Earth-like exoplanets circling a red dwarf known as Teegarden star, which lies only 12.5 light-years from Earth. These planets reside in the habitable zone of their star, which might support the existence of liquid water on their world's surface. We might be able to move to Teegarden star's solar system soon. 7th place. China landing on the far side of the moon.
China has achieved a major milestone in its space program and historic first for human space exploration. China's lunar rover touched down on the far side of the moon.
Mankind's been landing on the moon since quite a few decades ago, but on January 3rd, 2019 was the first time humanity landed on the far side of the moon. On January 3rd, the Chang'e 4 mission touched down on the side of the moon we can't see from Earth. The spacecraft sent back the first photos ever taken from that part of the moon's surface. Like its predecessors, the mission is named after Chang'e, the Chinese moon goddess. 6th place. The heliopause. We know all about our atmosphere, magnetosphere, asteroids, comets, and all kinds of objects that come in contact with Earth and get promptly disintegrated by these protective fields. However, there's an even more violent fight unfolding at the frontier of our solar system. That's because several miles away from our solar system's center, there are crackling solar winds colliding with powerful cosmic rays at a boundary called the heliopause, first spotted by NASA's twin Voyager probes, which passed through the region and saw that the heliopause is literally a physical wall of plasma that deflects most incoming radiation. This plasma shield, as it's described in an independent study, may deflect about 70% of cosmic rays from entering our solar system. So, what do you think about these great space discoveries so far? Let us know in the comments. 5th place. Orphaned planet. If you know a little bit about stars and their lives, you might know that when a star runs out of fuel and collapses, it might become a white dwarf, which is the crystalline corpse of a star. Any planets around the star were probably destroyed by the star's final growth spurt or destroyed by the white dwarf's intense gravity, so there's not a lot of hope for these planets. Despite this, astronomers found an intact planet orbiting a living white dwarf star for the first time in history. It was spotted about 2,040 light-years away from Earth, and the white dwarf system is emanating a strange combo of gases that could be a Neptune-like planet evaporating as it circles the dead star. That means that scientists have proved that white dwarf stars can host planets, which was believed to be impossible. 4th place. Solar tsunamis. Tsunamis are never good news, and tsunamis in the sun are definitely not good news either, while still sounding like an awe-inspiring phenomenon. The Parker Solar Probe approached closer than ever to the sun in 2019, allowing scientists to closely observe solar